In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect shapes to fixed points in Draw.io for Confluence. We'll start inside Confluence, working on a page in editor mode. If you're just viewing a page, switch into editing so you can add and work with the diagram. This ensures you have access to the Draw.io integration and can make changes that will be saved back to your page. To create a new Draw.io board, type the / command and search for the Draw option. When you see the Draw.io board macro appear, select it to insert a fresh canvas into your page. This opens the diagram editor in a modal or full screen view, depending on your setup, giving you a clean workspace to build in. Once the editor is open, place two shapes on the canvas. You can drag them from the shape library on the left and drop them where you want. Try to leave a bit of space between them so you can clearly see the connector as you work. If the canvas feels cramped, use the zoom controls to get a comfortable view. Snapping and alignment guides can help keep everything tidy, but they won't affect the fixed connections we're about to create. Now, hover over the first shape. You should see small connection points appear around its edges, usually small blue crosses or dots. These are the fixed points that ensure connectors remain anchored even when you move the shapes later. Click and hold on one of those points, then start dragging your mouse toward the second shape. Keep holding the left mouse button as you move across the canvas. As you reach the second shape, hover near its edge until its connection points appear. Aim for one of those points and pause for a split second. When you see a highlight or snap indicator on the point, release the mouse button. You've now connected the two shapes using fixed points at both ends. To confirm everything is truly anchored, grab either shape and move it around. The connector should stay attached and intelligently reroute without losing its endpoints. If it looks like it's sticking to the shape border rather than a specific point, try reconnecting by dragging the end of the line directly onto a visible connection point until it snaps. A few quick tips: zoom in if the points are hard to see and hover patiently to reveal them. You can change connector styles later without breaking the fixed attachments. And when you're done, remember to save your diagram and publish your Confluence page so others can see the updates.